Hi, my name's Tia, your Student Services Manager, updating you on new and exciting changes we've made this year, as well as processes and info you may need to know. Come on in. Don't forget to tap your ID card. That's right, our fantastic security will be ensuring you tap your ID card as you enter the building. Now, we have a new and efficient system to speak to someone in Student Services. Using the tablet, you will now book in to speak to a member of the team. It's a simple form where you'll put in your name, student email address, and reason for your inquiry. From here, the information you provide will go to the Student Services team in 3A who will assist you further. You can find the Student Services team in the 3A workspace on the 3rd floor. Once they receive your information, which is sent to them directly from the tablet, you will be called by name to approach the desk. This will be in order of each booking received. A member of the team will then assist you with your query. Meet your Student Services team. Jasmine, Lance, and Sinclair. You can also find TechServe, LCCM's technical support team in 3A, if you wish to borrow equipment or have issues with room booking. We now have a dedicated disability and wellbeing officer named Charlene. She's available for one-to-one appointments if you have any additional needs or require support completing your DSA applications. LCCM has also introduced many new changes and exciting opportunities, including a brand new careers team, new events, brand new optional workshops, not to mention additional support with your student finance. There's so much to look forward to at LCCM, and we'd like to welcome all new and returning students. We hope you have a great year, and we'll be sure to keep you updated with all the exciting changes we have for you.